Hey, it's Mike, and today I'm going to share with you the exact step-by-step blueprint that helped over 130 of my students replace their 9-to-5 income within just 180 days, using skills that they already have. Are you tired of trading your time for money? Feeling stuck in that 9-to-5 grind? Dreaming about working from anywhere, setting your own schedule, and finally having the freedom to focus on what truly matters? I get it because I've been there. Just a few years ago, I was working 12-hour days as a telecommunications engineer. Hard hat on, climbing poles, working in manholes in the rain. I was making decent money, but my income was capped, and I was sacrificing my life for a paycheck. Today, I've built a multi-six-figure online business. I travel where I want, I work when I want, and help others to do the exact same. And the best part? I did it with no previous business experience, no university degree, and by using skills I already had. Stick around, because I'm about to show you the exact same process that my students are using to go from 0 to 10k per month in record time. Step 1 is identifying your high value skill. This is the skill that you can monetize online for maximum profit. Now here's where most people get it wrong. They think they need to learn some brand new fancy skill to make money. That's complete BS. The truth is, you likely have a valuable skill already from your 9-to-5 that businesses are actually desperate for. Maybe you're good with Excel, data analysis, project management, writing emails, or organizing things. Look, these are some examples from my students. Molly held down her nursing job while building a 10k per month online sales funnel business. Drew turned his design skills into a 10k per month subscription model online design business. Luke, who did data analysis in his 9-to-5 job, turned that into a 40k per month online business. So grab a piece of paper right now and write down 3 to 5 skills that you use in your current job or daily life. What do people always compliment you on? What problems do you solve easily that others struggle with? Once you have your list, the next question is, does this skill solve a real problem in the market? And trust me, for almost any skill, the answer is yes. In today's skill-based economy, companies are downsizing and looking for freelancers to fill the gaps. And why is freelancing in 2025 so different? It's because we're simply in a skill-based economy. Companies are downsizing and automations are replacing repetitive tasks, but the demand for specialized skills, your skills, has exploded. There's so much demand for people like you and me who have a skill set that can be turned into an online business. The earning potential is insane. Remember Luke, who I mentioned, that got to 40k a month with automations? That's the reality of what's possible. And here's the best part. You don't need 10 different skills. This is a mistake a lot of people make. They think they need to know how to do everything for a client, but you only need one skill and the right strategy to market it. That's it. The second step is building yourself as an authority in your niche through strategic content creation. This is absolutely critical. In 2025, if you're not visible online, you basically don't exist to potential clients. But here's the thing, you don't need to be on every platform burning yourself out. One of my mentors who does multiple 7 figures a year told me stick to one platform and master it. For me, it was Twitter. I focused exclusively on posting valuable content around landing pages and websites, and within 90 days I had enough followers and enough leads to quit my 9-to-5 job. Let me show you my profile and some examples. Here's what I post: consistent content showcasing social proof, giving tips, and showing my personal side. I started from 0 and now I'm at 49k followers. And here's Brilliance, one of my students. Look at his profile. Fantastic content, posting multiple times a day, showcasing competence with a clear funnel to book calls, and he's absolutely printing money from this. He's talking about doing 100k months this year. And the key really is consistency. You need to post at least 3 to 5 times minimum a week on YouTube, or else daily on Twitter. That's the reality of what it takes. Your content needs to be engaging, educational, and promotional. Yes, promotional. Nobody's going to buy from you if you don't promote yourself. You always need a clear funnel, and a great example of that is having an optimized profile like mine and Brilliance's, having engaging content, a great DM strategy to get calls booked, and a newsletter and landing page. Remember, many clients need to see your content multiple times before they'll ever pay for your services. We're talking between 7 and 20 touch points. That's why consistency is so crucial, and how often you upload. Choose one platform where your ideal customer hangs out. It could be LinkedIn for corporate clients, Twitter for agency owners, Instagram for coaches, or YouTube for a broader reach. Then commit to posting consistently for 90 days. The final step is packaging your skills into an irresistible offer that people cannot refuse. This is where almost everyone fails. They have the skill, they might even have some followers, but they haven't a clue how to package and sell their services. Your offer needs to solve a specific painful problem for your target clients, and it needs to deliver a clear, measurable result. For example, instead of saying I build websites, you can say I design websites that increase your conversion rate by 20% in just 30 days. Instead of saying I do social media management, you say the following: I help fitness coaches get 10 new leads per day through Instagram content. You're not selling your time or your skill, you're selling the outcome. And here's exactly how you create an irresistible offer. Number one is identifying your client's pain points. If you want to target agencies, maybe they have onboarding issues. If you're targeting coaches, maybe they have issues creating course content. 2 is setting your pricing correctly. This is so important. As a general rule of thumb, you can charge 10% of the value that you provide. If they'll make 100k from what you do, charge 10k. If they'll make 10k, then charge 1k. That's fair, and it still gives them a 10x ROI on their investment. That's fair, and it still gives them a 10x ROI. 3 is packaging your services as a clear, results-oriented offer. For example, I'll create a landing page that increases your sales by 20%. Or I'll create an automation system that saves you 20 hours per week. Step 4, and this is really important, is do not charge hourly. This is a huge mistake that too many people make. Charge by the project, weekly or monthly. You'll make way more money doing this. Step 5 is don't undervalue yourself. When you're starting out, most people will tell you charge less. Ignore that advice. Honestly, double what you think you're worth. If you think you're worth $100, charge $200. I dare you. And see what happens. If anything, you'll close more deals. Osh, another student of mine, made 18k in just 65 days by focusing exclusively on CRO for Shopify brands. Brilliance has hit over 20k in just 1 month from landing pages. Helmi went viral on YouTube and now makes over 5k every single month. So finally, you need to define your specific offer by answering these questions. Who exactly do you help, and be specific? What specific problems do you solve? What results do you deliver? And how much are those results worth for them? So there you have it, the 3-step blueprint on how you can replace your 9-to-5 income. Identify your high value skill, build authority through content, create an irresistible offer. This exact blueprint has helped over 130 of my students make over 10k a month in 180 days. And it can work for you too. And let me tell you what building an online business in 2025 really means. It's freedom, it's flexibility. Freedom to be where you want, to work when you want, and of course, earn as much as you want. Just look at this, for example, me working from a rooftop pool in Thailand. Where else can you do this? What job allows you this kind of freedom? But look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Doing this alone is hard. You'll face obstacles, make mistakes, and probably waste months of trying to figure all this out through trial and error. That's why I created Casually Convert, a program where I guide you through this exact step-by-step process. I'll help you identify your most profitable skill, build your online presence, and create offers that clients can't refuse. And the best part, it's guaranteed. If you don't make it to 10k a month, in 180 days, you get a full refund. So if you're serious about leaving your 9-to-5 and building a business that gives you true freedom, click the link below in the description to book a free strategy call with me. On this call, we'll map out your entire business plan, and you'll walk away with clarity on exactly what you need to do next, whether you join my program or not. But don't wait too long. We only have a few spots available in the coming months, and they're filling up fast. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video or on our call. Take care, have a great day, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this content and want to see more. Peace.